Hey everybody, I am just taking a walk to lead these guys back who got out of their pen. A little company from Miss Maisie. Maisie, you're the best girl. She is the best dog. So figured I'd take you for a little walk with me to show that sometimes when you're homesteading, things don't always go as planned. You are going to, even if you're rotationally grazing, even if you have fencing, even if you got a good system going, there are going to come times where your animals get loose, or something happens unexpectedly. What are you eating? Oh, there's nothing there. Come on, girls. So it's a good idea to just go with the flow. I am very thankful that our sheep are bucket trained and overall trained to hot wire. Usually when something like this happens, it's because somebody accidentally bumped a post or something, and or we were just delayed getting out there. But they are right now about a quarter mile away from our house, so they just end up coming with me. Take a walk back with Miss Maisie. Maisie's so great. She just finished up being in heat, so that's always tricky, trying to get her not bred. And she either just turned 2 or she will be 2 very soon. I have to look on the calendar. But she is such a good girl. Sean has been predominantly doing a lot of these rotational animal chores while I've been doing other stuff. And he was saying how she always goes in and sort of checks the perimeter of the next fenced area and marks her territory there before the other sheep come in. And that's not something you've taught them to do. Scooter, you're so naughty. It's just something she kind of took it upon herself to do, and we come out all the time and find her sleeping with all the sheep around her. And as she's getting older, everybody's just kind of getting to know their job a little better. So this is what it looks like when the sheep get out. Let me flip it around. Where are they going? Over here? Oh, I see what you're saying. All right, Maisie, go see Daddy. She is a good girl. You want to let her check things out? She knows I'm here, so it's throwing her off a little bit. Is it because of me? She wants her food. Oh, Scooter. Stop climbing up on me. All right, you guys want to go back in? Come on. Come on. All right. gosh, they never get grain, so this is a treat. Who's the best girl? Are you a good girl?
You hungry?
Good girl.
Good girl.
She's lucky she's got her regular dinner, but she's also got bone broth. Like, we've been making a lot of bone broth, and so she ends up getting rice and all the bones afterwards in there. They're all ground up. So good for her. And you can see that some of you knew that she had lost her back coat when she had a really bad hot spot in the back here a few months back, and so we were really worried about her, and she ended up recovering well from it, but she's got her summer coat now. So she scared me so much today because I came in and I found all this red mark on the back of her, and I thought she was bleeding, and I'm like, okay, she's out of her heat cycle. What is wrong with her? It took me a while. I checked her all over, make sure she was okay, to realize that she had sat in our mineral bucket where we have our minerals, and the minerals are red, and so she got it all over her white coat, and it looked like she was injured, but she was not. So it's good to have a dog that comes to you and lets you check them all over and handle them. Are you a good girl? So we're just going to finish getting these guys in here, getting them water. They have a little bit left, but we're going to be filling up all their waters and getting everything switched over for the day. And that's it. They're all back where they belong. How's it going, Farmer Sean?
Good. Good.
Yeah.
I'll set up the next day.
Yeah, he'll set it for tomorrow. How's it working?
Good.
Yeah.
Time for them getting out every once in a while.
It's been a while since they've gotten out though, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, bone party.
Just a day in the life.